मानसी रोक मैं चाय लेके आती हूँ।
Okay, sorry guys. Hi guys.
Pausing and reflecting on what all we have done.
Like sitting with our feelings, it is so hard.
The first video we did was on low maintenance friendship, and we didn't know what we were doing. We just started the camera. We had some points in our head, but we started talking. जैसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमने उस वीडियो में बोली है, which now we are reflecting back and we are doing an inception. हम अपने वीडियो में वापस जाके बोलते शायद से we might not agree to what we have said to that degree.
Finding each other was like finding her family, having to have that safe space where you could just share your feelings. And that's what we're doing with you guys. We're trying to create this as a space in this episode, at least, in this category of content. Uh, we'll show maybe a more authentic side to us.
Yeah, मतलब more reflective side.
Yeah, more of that. Less of
Authentic we try to be all the time.
Yeah.
But again, authenticity is also we feel is a performance at some point. Saying things on podcast is also not on brand for us in a different way. क्योंकि हम ऐसे लोग हैं जो हर चीज को इतना क्वेश्चन करते हैं. तो when we saw our video back, हमें realize वी हैव said something that was so concrete in a visual form कि it was very jarring for us to now be on a forum जहाँ आप जो चीज बोल रहे हो वो forever में इंस्क्राइब हो चुका है क्योंकि वो हमारी पर्सनालिटी से बहुत डिफरेंट है. हम कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने को क्वेश्चन करते हैं. वी आर वेरी सेल्फ critical of the world kind of people. So to use a particular forum where we are trying to deconstruct topics and give very specific opinions is also very not on brand of for us. Because like maybe 3 months जो हमारे साथ हुआ, we were listening back to our arguments and we both were thinking कि यार हमने कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल दिया, ये सब हम खुद भी नहीं करते.
I think, yeah, I think also is very personal of me, but it sounds like a bit. If this is not right, then nothing is. That's not who we are actually.
I think one of the good things that Mansi you have brought up is उस वीडियो में ना थोड़ा नुआंस नहीं था कि फ्रेंडशिप भी एक स्पेक्ट्रम की तरह हो सकती है. Like you can definitely have people you enjoy being lowly maintained with. I love people like your schoolmates who you might meet in few years and the only reason you love hanging out with them is your nostalgia and bringing those memories again and again. So you don't have to go on journeys with everyone. And it's a very unsustainable way to perceive relationships. So I think even though we believe this, I feel उस वीडियो में ये nuance और ये spectrum वाली बात इतनी strongly नहीं put हुई.
The reflection that I felt very strongly was that I am also a friend. I am also a very low maintaining friend to a lot of groups.
Lot of people, yes, exactly.
And that's when the guilt,
Hmm.
like just I am actually letting go of very good friendships because I am highly maintaining few and low maintaining few, and that's the balance that you should also keep. We talk about that if somebody gives you high maintenance, but there are truly people in my life who are maintaining highly of me, and it's just me who's not doing that. And that's why such a strong guilt of not doing it. And that's when I messaged all my friends. I met all my friends, and since then, I'm highly maintaining of my friends, and that guilt is gone.
But just thinking, we were saying from a very close friendship point of view कि तुम्हारी closed friendship low maintenance नहीं होनी चाहिए. Which is again, if people have those close friendships and low maintenance, you do you. But हमारे ओपिनियन से क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप्स जो हम एक दूसरे को फेमिलियल फ्रेंडशिप्स जो फैमिली लेवल पे हैं उन फ्रेंडशिप्स में एक मेंटेनेंस का कॉन्सेप्ट हम मानते होना चाहिए. दैट इज आवर ओपिनियन. But it doesn't mean that your acquaintances or people you meet regularly but are not sharing your deepest, darkest secrets or they don't know what is going on in your life with your family or with at work, उन लोगों को completely discard कर दो. That's a completely stupid and very obtuse way of
And not matlab, concentrating on that part only. What we're trying to say is like don't romanticize one set of things that we also say, right? Don't romanticize on things. Don't romanticize a low maintenance, very comforting friendship for you or a high maintenance friendship for you.
To figure out things for yourself. You are big kids. Big kids. Big kid.
ख्याल से तो ऊपर ही हो
अभी वो
please.
yeah.
Overall, what we're trying to say is this series is gonna be about the reflection that we did after doing a particular set of video, right? This was based on the first video that we did, and if you haven't seen it, please check it out. We'll put the I icon
And
here.
please give us your thoughts, what you think about it. We have tried to also one reflection I have.
Okay.
So this is more of a meta YouTube thing. We started out thinking that we will bring the niche in our discussion of bringing a bit of history or theory to back our conversations. And the biggest challenge we are still facing actually is कि हम research कर रहे हैं, हम theory सोच रहे हैं या हम particular लोगों को refer करना चाहते हैं to have a more nuanced conversation. बट क्योंकि हम दोनों लाइक अपनी मटर गश्ती करते रहते हैं वीडियो के सामने, तो वो जो वीडियो एसे का कॉन्सेप्ट है वो अभी हमारे पॉडकास्ट या ये स्पाइरल वीडियोस में नहीं आ पा रहा है. वी नेवर इमेजिन्ड इट टू बी अ पॉडकास्ट. We always thought that we will take a particular topic and Mansi will bring the pop and more
Fun to it.
yeah, she will bring the fun to it. And because I am a researcher
Profession.
by profession, I might bring in a bit of cultural theory or any theory whatsoever. वो चीज आप देख सकते हैं हमारी वीडियोस में इतनी क्लियरली नहीं आ पा रही है. एंड इट्स समथिंग दैट वी आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग कि बिकॉज जब दो लोग बात करते हैं वो ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि फलाना वो उसने टी.एस. एलियट ने ये चीज बोली थी.
पिक्चर नहीं बोला था अरे तुझे पता नहीं है क्या?
नहीं पता. हाँ मतलब देन इट हैज टू बी वेरी स्क्रिप्टेड. And we are not that natural in front of the camera right now to perform a script that looks and sounds very natural. This is how we talk in real life. And in real life, it's very hard to bring that aspect. While you are shooting and being very, very, क्या बोलते हैं उससे? Aware of the camera.
It's just one video we have done and we are just pausing and sitting with you guys and watching it, I think, together only because this is something we're shooting why we have put out our first video. So it's really like watching it with you guys, and that's what we felt while watching that video, that we are being too bitchy about things.
Yeah. And
Too I think
opaque.
तो टेलर इट इसमें क्या बोलते हैं
हाँ मतलब कि too opaque and
too one-sided
one-sided. It had no nuance. At some point there were like you can feel that we are trying to bring it in, but क्योंकि we were doing lot of मस्ती while having those conversations, so हमने कुछ थोड़ा से अपनी मस्ती में बहुत चीजें बोल दिया.
And if our video made you guilty about your friendships, we have done our job.
No, that made us guilty as well.
Yeah, but it's like
mummy.
together. Just to say it again that hi, this is Nancy
And this is Aishi.
and you are watching Two Girls Spiraling. Right now we are pausing and reflecting with you guys on our first video, which was about high maintenance friendship, which was about us not being an advocate, like being an advocate for low. We were not being advocate for low maintenance friendship. And you'll see a lot of fumbles, a lot of words that were spoken too badly. Like once I've said friendship.
And this essentially is public speaking. The thing is the public is not in front of you, but is imagined. But essentially you are speaking to a mass, to the masses. So again, see, so वो भी एक स्ट्रगल है एंड होपफुली आप हमारी जर्नी में उसको इम्प्रूव होते हुए देखेंगे. हम रियल में ऐसे नहीं बात करते. आई थिंक वी आर मच बेटर एट टॉकिंग इन रियल लाइफ. दैट्स व्हाट वी थिंक. वी डोंट नो.
No, people make fun of my pronunciation. So I
तो आर तो क्रेजी. वो तो रंगू.
I just hope you are not feeling too much from my videos.
Yes.
That's all.
That was not the intent. The intent was for you to feel enough day.
enough kids to text your friends to like be around your friend because that's the most beautiful relationship that we believe in. And it has been a lot about friendships. Go check out our Instagram, go check out our YouTube, go do whatever you want to do with our content. Don't make a lot of jokes about us.
Yes. Like just give a dislike, but write good comments.
Yeah. Write good things. Give us a dislike, doesn't matter. But if you really, really want to support us, go subscribe. Bye bye.